Hey, what's up guys, Watch Review here, back with another video today. Today in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to adjust the date and time on the Seiko SNK 809. Now it's really simple on how to adjust the date and time on this watch. The crown has two stages, so if you pull it out to the first stage and rotate it clockwise, you can adjust the date, and if you rotate it counterclockwise, you can adjust the day. And if you pull it out to the second stage, that will adjust your time by turning it clockwise. Now don't get too frustrated if you guys can't get the time accurate because this watch does not have hacking, so just take your time and you'll be all set. Well, I thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully I was a help to you guys, and if you have any other questions about the watch, be sure to ask them in the comment section down below. This has been Watch Review. Peace.